respected teachers, honorable judge and my dear friend. A very good morning to you all. Myself sir. Today my presentation topic is 5 steps to building project. First, need assessment. Need assessment is a part of a planning processes. The result of a need assessment will guide subsequent decision including the design and evaluation of projects and program. The second phase is schematic design. Schematic design is the second phase. In this step, an architect talks with the client to determine the project requirements and goals. The architect usually starts the basic concept of the design. Schematic design includes a 2D plan. 2D plan is the type of a diagram that shows the layout for property or space. It will often show the wall and room layout, plus fixture installation like door, windows, stairs as well as furniture. Third step is design development. Design development, the process by which specification or high level design for an asset is translated into the detailed design. Design development includes 3D plan. 3D plan is a virtual model of a building floor plan. It will often show the structures, fixtures, paint, side, back and front elevation. The fourth step is construction document and permitting. Construction document to apply for a building permit from the city or other local authority. Once the construction document is ready, the process of construction begins. First step is construction. Construction is the process of constructing building or infrastructure. Construction starts with the planning, designing and financing until the project is built and ready for use. How to a construction step? First, marking on side. The next, excavation on side. Third, uplift the column up to plinth level. Next, shuttering of plinth beam. Next, soil filling and completion inside plinth beam. Uplift the column from plinth to floor level. Next, brickwork up to steel lintel and floor level. After shuttering of roof slab and ending concreting on roof slab. In this way, the building is constructed. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.